So I think this is a video demo for a client request to remove the animation to make the transition smoother. The client is referring that when you access the page, they're not convinced that they don't like the transition and it has a delay. So I'm going to show you an example of that. Let's try on the phone book. As you can see, there's an animation. They want us to remove this. There's a delay in showing the buttons on the lower portion on the share and social. This one, this is the one that they are referring also. Moving to other pages. This is good. They want to be just like this, that when you access another page, it has an instant reaction or smoother. So they want to remove those animation. Example of this, they want to remove that when you're switching to other pages on the mobile app. Okay, so we want to remove those animation and that. Okay, so that's the request of our client. Thank you.